Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about this model from Greenlight, a 1983 Chevrolet K20 Scottsdale with a double axle dump trailer. It's from the Series 28. These are the others that are in Series 28. We can see it's a licensed product. That is what we like. Freeze the frame if you want to read the rest of the information. And here we got the barcode and article number. Yeah, Hitch and Tow, I like that a lot. It says it's a limited edition and it's in a 1/64 scale. The main reason I bought it, it's a little bit weathered, a little bit mud on the side. I like that. Now let's see how we can open this package. I think I'm going to use scissors for it. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's best to do it like this. I hate these kind of packages. Bad for the environment. And you have to destroy the package to get the model out. I don't like that. I think it's better to use a box package or a package that you can recycle, or a package that you don't have to destroy. So you can put the model back inside. That's the best I can do. Let's put these here on the side. What does it say? It says functional dump, sidewall extension, opening rear doors, stowaway ramps. Okay, to take this out, and then we can take the model out, and we can take the trailer out. Whoa! Oh, cool! I like that. Whoa. Okay, first we're going to have a look at the model. Let's put some light on, switch to detail mode. And now we can have a better look at the weathering. There is some mud on the window. But there is also something missing, something that makes a car very realistic, a diecast car. And that is the side mirrors. Apparently Greenlight, Johnny Lightning, and not all the time, but most of the time, they don't add side mirrors. And for a premium diecast brand, nah, I don't like that. Okay, no opening hood. I thought it had an opening hood, but no. And the weathering on the window should be that the windscreen wipers wiped it off. Now there is mud on the window, but yeah, that's difficult to see when you're driving. So it would be a lot realisticer when the windscreen wipers wiped it away. No license plate. Normally Greenlight has license plate on the vehicles, but not this one. So no side mirrors, no license plate. Weathering on the window could be a lot better. I think nowadays it is possible to do that. We do have a very nice metal base with the name of the car and some details. I like that. Good rolling rubber tires. Now let's have a look at the interior. Yeah, interior looks good. Red steering wheel. Red interior. It would be nice if it was a black steering wheel, black interior. But hey, you can't have it all. There is also some mud on the roof. This is also made out of metal. So yeah, pretty nice vehicle. Now let's have a look at the trailer. We can already see it can open. Good rolling wheels. This is made out of metal. And I believe these can open, yes. And there was also, you can pull these out. Yeah, wow. A little bit further. Oh, that's a little bit too far. Okay, I see it. you have to turn those around and then click them in. Yeah, like this. Yeah, very nice. And you can also put it back in. They don't come out too easy, and that's good. So you don't lose them that quickly. I also like this system. Yeah. And okay, yep. So you can't close it like this. You have to do it at the same time and then click. Then we have this here to make it a little bit higher. I think it has to be like this. Yep. And this piece is also weathered. Thank you very much, Greenlight. Can the doors still open? Yep, that's possible. Nice. And close again. So how does it look behind the truck? Yeah, a little bit amateuristic. I'm sorry for that. But now you know this isn't AI. I'm not a robot. I am not a robot. You have to believe me. Yeah, rides really good. Now, the only thing I have to do... Oh, and I almost missed something. Yeah, you can also use this and you place it right here. I can do that. I can do that. It's a little bit of tape. A little bit of tape. Turn it like this. Et voila. Okay, now let's create a nice thumbnail for the video. So this is going to be the thumbnail. I used these two right here and this one. These two are from Urtel and this is from Magic City Diorama. The Fast and Furious garage. And then I have to do it like this. And then I say click. And we have a nice thumbnail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. You help me with that a lot. Thank you so much. And have a very good day. See you next time. Bye.